Hello again, YouTube. It's been a while. I've been busy tidying. And look, I have a chair I can sit. I mean, yeah, okay, I need to hoover it. But, progress has been made. So, don't get too excited. But yeah, I've been busy doing stuff. Having a life, not watching videos on YouTube. Get out more. It's fun. Anyway, what I'm going to do today is another e-bike project. Here's the bike. I've even got it in the shed next to me. And I have room to get around it, which is nice. But what I want to do is have a little display on here, which is going to be this display here in the bag. And this is going to show amps, what am I doing? What am I talking about? Volts, amps, watts, power, jazz, like that. And so if you've seen one of my early videos, these are the little watt meters from the original solar shed. So 0 to 60 volts, this is 24, that'd be fine. And possibly good for a 42, 48 volt upgrade that I may do at some point. Current plenty, power plenty, good. So and that's what it is. If you're interested, I don't even know if you can buy this anymore, but they'll do something similar. So what I'm going to do, whack some plugs in the end of it, plug it in the bike. Easy, nice, quick, easy video to get me back into the routine of what I'm doing, which I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Anyway, carry on. Bag of XT60 plugs. Now we have the female and the male. Yeah, so incidentally, the battery side, or the power side, is typically the female. And the receiving side is the male. The reason for this, I believe, is if you were to use that as a power side, if you were to drop crap down there, like some metallic FOD, it would short the pin, you wouldn't be able to get it out, and it would cause a short. Whereas here, you'd be much more unlikely to drop something that bridges both contacts, and you've got that middle piece there, so you won't, if you were to put it on a metal surface, you're unlikely to short both pins out at once. Whereas this is more likely to, if you were to drop something in there, say, I don't know, dip in a screwdriver blade, go. Whereas this side, it wouldn't do that. You're unlikely to do that as much because you've got that plastic knobbing in the way, whereas this is more dangerous. So this is the source side, destination side. So equally on here we've got source and load. So the source will be the female, load will be the male, if that helps clear anything up. Right, soldering time. And I bought myself a vise from Lidl for £9 no less. So, yeah, you've got a thingy here that makes it all move. If I do this one hand, it's going to fall over. Is it? Oh, what am I doing? No, that's wrong. It's that way. There you go. And then it's going to go wobbly in a minute. There you go. And you can move the head around. What am I doing this one-handed? It's very tricky. And that will look at that. Woohoo! So, yeah, so I can change the angle like that. And have it as I want. So probably like that, and then I can solder it towards me, holding the connectors in. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Little quality. The ends of this is that horrible aluminium. I don't know if it's copper coated aluminium, it's just aluminium. I don't think it's, yeah. Whatever it is, it's not very nice stuff. It will take solder, but it's not very good. So I think that's why it's so thick. Because apparently this is rated for 100 amps, but yeah, doubt it. But we'll bang it in there, and it just about fits. So we'll just make it work, ish. So it's not pretty at all, but that aluminium doesn't take solder very well. I've had to get it very hot to flow. But that's what I've got. But luckily, there's heat shrink in the end of the wires, so you can't see it anyway when it's finished, because it's pretty crap. Right, next slide. And another absolutely atrocious solder joints on this atrocious cable that I can't solder to. Yeah, this might not last very long. What I've done as well was I've put the mate and half of the plugs in when I've been soldering them, so they don't deform. Because if you have to get these so hot to get these cables to get the solder to flow into these cables, because they're crap cables. That it will deform the plug. So putting this on stops it deforming, at least helps stop it deforming. That's the plan anyway. Right, so that's done. So now it's just a bit of heat shrink around the ends, which I've already fitted on the cables because that would be bad. And then we'll see if it works. Should work. Haven't tested it yet. Otherwise I've just wasted some plugs. How good is it having a little vise? Look, hands free. Woo, hand. It's free. But yeah, now I can basically show you for the first time ever me here. Hot air shrinking stuff. Oh, how exciting is this? Yeah, I did have to make the noise then. There you go. Don't know why people use lighters. I see people on YouTube videos use lighters to do this, and I was like, why are you using fire? It's so unreliable. It's just so much easier. Just get a proper heat gun and do it properly. There you go. A bit like that. Wonderful. Right, other side. Nice. Oh, cack. So there's my battery connector, which is obviously female. This is my source side here, and I've put in a female. I've broken my own rule. Basically, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. What an absolute idiot. So, I've had a plan. To save myself having to cut these off and reconnect them and waste the connectors and heat shrink and stuff, I've decided I'll take this off here, change the wires over at this point, and that gives us a nice opportunity to have a look inside this thing. So that's the case. Case just pulls off. So I've just found out, and we have this funky little screen with funky little pins, and yeah, can we get it out? There's little clips up here, two clips down the bottom here. Yeah, let's try and get this out. It's out, just that one little clip. And it's gone. So we've got on the bottom. We've got our 100 amp shunt apparently. Yeah, right. And there we go. So there's our shunt. Got a voltage regulator here, a little micro, EEPROM probably. And that's pretty much it. What's that there? What's that lump of goo? Is that lump of goo on it? Oh, that's probably a is that a thermocouple for the temperature. The thing that's stuck on the back here. Dodge, or is that a crystal? Don't know. There's some goo on it though. Could be the crystal, because there could be the two caps you have around crystals. Don't know. But yeah, that's what it is. It's not much inside. How accurate it is, probably not very. But anyway, I'll desolder these, swap the cables around, and put it back on the bike. And there we go. Cables being swapped around, and they're my new solder joints. And they're a lot better than the other side, even though they're not great. I mean, look at the clearance there. Woo! Well, I suppose there's enough-ish. I mean, you know, it's only a lithium battery with no fuses. How bad can it be? Alright, and then sit the case back on. We'll stick it back on the bike with the correct polarity this time. There you go, it's on. So if I turn the power on, a little boot up thingy. And you can see that? No, you can't. Why can't you see that? You do that. Whoop! See it now? No. Oh, have I zoom in? Oh, I'll cover my fingers. Excuse me whilst I'm being a prat. Oh, there you go, 29. Oh, you stupid thing. Right, that's on, believe it or not. If I lift the bike up, I'm going to do this then, with one hand. This could be fun. If I make the motor go forward a little bit, see the current go up? Did you see the current go up? I'm not sure if you did. Right, let me mount the bike and lift and twist and... Oh, this is terrible video. Why are you watching this? I wouldn't be watching this right now. Right, ready, go. Is there current? Yeah, there is, I think. There you go. Point proven. I think. Right, I'm going to watch that back and then see if that works. And then, assuming it is, that's going to be it. I'm going to say, right, bye for now, because I'm now stuck in a bike. Right, anyway, see you later. Bye for now.